Ready to split your Apple Pay purchases into easy installments with zero hassle? Let's dive right into linking your Klarna account to Apple Pay, making your shopping experience smoother and more manageable. First, open the Klarna app on your iPhone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, look at the bottom of your screen. You should see a few different tabs. Tap on the Cards tab. It usually looks like a little card icon. On this card screen, you'll see your Klarna card. Now, look for the Add to Apple Wallet button. It's typically a button beneath your card details. Go ahead and tap that button. You'll now be taken to the Apple Wallet interface where it prompts to add the Klarna card. Just follow the on-screen instructions to finish adding your Klarna card to the Apple Wallet. You might need to verify your information with Klarna through a security code depending on your settings. Once verified, your virtual Klarna card will appear in your Apple Wallet alongside your other cards. Now, when you're paying with Apple Pay, just select your Klarna card from your wallet during checkout. You'll then be able to split your purchase into installments right there on the spot. That's it. You've successfully linked Klarna to Apple Pay. Enjoy the freedom and flexibility of installment payments everywhere Apple Pay is accepted. Don't forget to like and subscribe.